friends, a short video on peer mentoring, an alternative method of teaching. This video is for the teachers who feel tired and exhausted at the end of the day from talk shows. My dear educators, do you tend to rely on presenting lessons with the lecture and notes? Do your students often feel bored or acting out? Do you want to get your students more engaged and interactive? If yes, bid goodbye to stand and deliver teaching method and try for the more engaging and interactive alternative teaching method. I assure you that you will certainly grow professionally and your students will become faster learner, deeper and better learners. Needless to say, this video is most relevant to the aspiring students and parents. Let's accept the truth that an engaged student is real and active learner. Your attention is drawn to average learning retention pyramid, and you will be surprised to learn that only 5% learning retention takes place as a result of lecture method. Lecture method is the most ineffective and unproductive method of teaching. The rate of learning significantly increases with the engagement of the learners. Demonstration and group methods can lead up to 30 to 50% learning retention. Application leaves permanent mark and there can be 75 learning retention. However, maximum learning and retention takes place when a student becomes a peer mentor and teaches his friends. Peer learning was a well-established practice in ancient system of education. Gurukuls and ashrams worked and lived as an extended family. The juniors looked up to seniors for help and guidance and learned under the strict gaze of the seniors. And this relationship, this bond between mentor and mentee continue in the post-Gurukul life as well. The old and sacred practice is still observed in Gurukulas. In some institutions, even now it is followed, of course, in diluted form. In some Western universities, peer mentoring is institutionalized where the senior or more knowledgeable, more skilled and more experienced students help and guide the less competent students. Like PhD students teach undergraduates or postgraduates. In CSKM Public School, Mehrauli, New Delhi, the management introduced a 3-tier teaching learning system exactly on peer mentoring system. At the top was visiting faculty with minimum 10 years experience of teaching and head examinership. School faculty and subject or mentor peers. Subject mentors or peer mentors were identified and recognized as gifted children with high IQ. They were fast, deep and thematic learner. Thus, a 3-tier mentoring system was institutionalized. The system worked at senior secondary level. In other classes, it was 2-tier system. Visiting faculty were not arranged for secondary and lower classes. Practically, there used to be 4 sessions. In the first session, visiting faculty taught senior secondary students in the presence of school faculty for a couple of hours. Question paper set by the visiting faculty was entrusted to the school faculty and the test was conducted by him or her on the same day in the last session. Second session was taken by the school faculty and the same subject matter was retaught. The complex problems were simplified, doubts were removed then and there. The third session was taken by the peer mentors, popularly known as super syndicate, in the presence of the school faculty. The peer mentors attended to individual problems of their friends on their seats. Thus, the shy, freshers, underachievers, underprivileged students were taken care of, and the standard of learning was lifted immediately. Finally, in the fourth session, a written test was conducted for 1.5 hours in the last, and the same test was taken by all the students, including the peer mentors. After correction of the answer sheets, the learning gaps were identified and abridged then and there by the mentors in the presence of the school faculty. CS Camp is a residential public school. The gifted students or peer mentors or senior students take care of the slow learners or weaker ones in the prep itself. Prep is a supervised self-study program. Their environment is less rigid and more congenial and inspiring. Benefits of peer teaching. There are various benefits of peer teaching. Both the peer mentor and the mentee, both are equally benefited. It is mutually beneficial. Peer learning is a two-way reciprocal learning activity as it involves sharing of knowledge, skill and experience between the two. Both work harder to understand, explain, recall and apply knowledge. Both mentor and mentee have a better grasp of the content and they do well in the examinations and competitions. Some IAS aspirants who worked in the residential English medium schools as mentors did well in the UPSC examinations. Mentorship helped them recapture basics and concepts and significantly improved their communication skill and self-confidence level. Peer mentoring helped weave and create an inclusively better environment. New, freshers, shy, underprivileged, rural, underscoring students find themselves isolated and frustrated in the normal classroom situation. The peer mentor provides safe and inspiring environment for them. It facilitates good opportunity for project and group projects. Mentoring is a kind of combined study system. Common course facilitates spontaneous evolution of learning strategy and learning tips. Both mentor and mentee are immensely on the spot benefited. Because of constraints of time, sometimes pace of teaching is fast enough. Some students are not able to cope with the teaching speed and demands of the curriculum. Mentoring helps them a lot. Peer mentee provides valuable opportunities for development of various skills so much needed in life and career after schooling. Teamwork, leadership, problem solving, social networking, relationship with various ethnic groups, different kind of personalities, communication skills, etc. are practiced and perfected in active group life. Peers help a lot in skill development. Mentors find value and recognition, respect in helping others. Mentoring is a mutually rewarding exercise. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Please do like, do share and do subscribe. Thank you and thank you very much, please.